Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, I'll be teaching you matrix. Now, we should know that the singular form of matrix is the matrix and the plural form is matrices. Matrix, let's put that there. Matrix, that's the singular form, and the plural form is called matrices. Matrices, plural form. So when we have two or more matrices, so we say matrices. When we have just one matrix, we call it matrix. So in this video, we'll be learning about matrix. What is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array. In other words, arrangement of elements. What are elements? Just referring back to sets. What are contained in a set is called an element. So what are contained in a matrix are called the elements of that matrix. So it is the arrangement of the elements in the matrix, usually numbers. Let's take for an example. If we say matrix A could have an arrangement of elements like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and closed. So this is a rectangular arrangement. You can see how it is rectangular. So mind you, I know you want to say this is square, but we just have to use rectangular to describe it, as it could be that the length is more than the breadth. So this is just 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. I will explain what I mean by 2 by 2 matrix. So I just said matrix is the arrangement or rectangular arrangement of elements of numbers. So a matrix containing m rows and n column is called m by n matrix. M by n matrix. Any matrix containing m row and n column, I said it is called m by n matrix, meaning that when I want to describe a matrix, I will need to call the name of the matrix by the row and the column. So I will say row by column. So let's get to know what the row is and what the column is. This arrangement, can you see it? The horizontal arrangement is the row. While the vertical arrangement is the column. Column. So how many rows do we have here? 1 row, 2 row, that is 2 by, how many columns do we have? 2 columns. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. So if I ask you what type of matrix is matrix A, so this is 2 by 2 matrix. Supposing I have something like this, let's take it as matrix B. If matrix B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what type of matrix is this? Correct. This is 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix. If you say 3 by 2, it can be written like this, or it can be written like this. 3 by 2. So if you say 3 by 2, this is totally wrong, because the row should be mentioned first before the column. So how many rows are here? This is row 1, this is row 2. So we have 2 rows. And how many column? Column 1, column 2, column 3. So we have to, so this is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 matrix. It can be written like that, or it can be written as 2 by 3 matrix. So you can see that matrix are identified by the numbers of rows and the number of columns present in them. So that is how we get to label matrix. So what if I have matrix C. Let's say matrix C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 2, 3. So what type of matrix is this? Correct. This is 3 by 4 matrix. These are the rows. 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 rows. And then these are the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 columns. 4 columns. So since we have 4 columns, so we call it 3 by 4 matrix. So this is 3 by 4 matrix. So other things that you should know about matrix is that the entries that are in the matrix are what are called elements. These are rows and these are columns. So let us delve into types of matrix. There are many types of matrix that it is important that we should be able to identify them. So let's begin the types of matrix now. Types of matrix. Now, number one, we have what we call row matrix. Number one, we have what we call row matrix. What is a row matrix? A row matrix is a matrix that consists of only one row. A row matrix is a matrix that consists of only one row. So it consists of only one row. Let's put that down so that you can have it consist of only one row. So let's take an example of such matrix. Let's say matrix A is a row matrix. That means we have just 1, 2, 3.